Welcome to the beginning of the alphabet. Hopefully you already watched the cursive writing basics and you're ready to go. So again, I have a nice sharp pencil. I'm comfortable in my chair. I'm sitting up straight. I don't necessarily worry too much about having an eraser, but if you want one close by, you can have that. Just go ahead and have fun with your writing and don't worry about it being perfect. So you probably already have worksheets that either you found on my website or a journal or worksheets that you purchased online from me. So let's go ahead and get started with the capital A. So starting up here at the top, gently holding my pencil, it's a big bump down and a big line up, down, and a tail. Try it again. Big bump down, up, down, tail. Big bump, up, down, tail. And take it all the way straight across. Depending on how big you write, try to fill up that space as much as possible. I can see that I have a little bit of space on here. I'm going to try to fill up this space a little bit more. Now I know these letters are huge, but it makes it easier for you to see and write along with me. Okay, so lowercase a, half the size, same shape. Starting here at the dotted line, it's a little bump, little line, up, down, tail. Again, little bump, little line, up, down, tail. Little bump, little line, up, down, tail. And go ahead and take that all the way across. Now the nice thing about these videos is you can pause them, watch them over and over. I hope that you practice regularly. All right. Capital and lowercase a.